Hello, HardReset here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any problems and issues with your Teams app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go to the search bar, find your Team app, Teams, and here you want to check if you have the newest version. The update bar, if it's available, should pop up right here when it's the open. But if you have the open bar, that means that you have the newest version and everything should be alright. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go up to the settings, go up to the apps management, here, Teams, right here we got our Teams app, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow all of this, just allow them. If you allow them and still got some issues, I'm gonna show you last way how to do this. So last way, you just need to go to the App Store, here, Uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After reinstalling the app, there shouldn't be more issues with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.